How to turn off two-factor authentication in Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Facebook application and make sure you are signed in. And now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will then see the option for See More in Accounts Center. Tap on that and then tap on the password and security option. In here, you will see the option for two-factor authentication. Tap on that and then tap on the account that you would like to update. Now, enter the password to confirm your identity and select the option to turn off two-factor authentication. Confirm your choice when prompted, and this is how you can turn off two-factor authentication in Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.